Good morning, dear students. In the last class, we have studied regarding the population explosion and the birth control and what are the various measures that is taken by the government to eradicate this population explosion. Now, the same program, one of the program called as family planning. Today, we have to study the family planning programs, or it is also called as contraceptive methods, also called as contraceptive methods. We study under the heading called as family planning or the contraceptive methods. These are very important for the exam point of view. You may get 5 marks questions on this. Yes, you have heard the word contraception or family planning. Yes, family planning. You have to plan the family. How? Planning for a small family by adopting a scientific methods of birth control. Planning nothing but the birth control or fertility control methods is called as family planning. Yes, what do you mean by family planning? Planning for a small family by adopting scientific methods of birth control. Remember here, by adopting a scientific methods of the birth control, we can plan for a small family. Here birth control means fertility control. How we control? What are the methods to control the family? That is we are going to study here. That methods we call it as contraceptive methods is called as contraceptive methods. And if they ask what is family planning means, planning for a small family by adopting scientific methods of birth control or the fertility control is called as family planning. Okay, it is, what is this method actually? What do you mean by contraception or contraceptive means? It is a prevention of contraception means pregnancy is called as contraception. Prevention of conception is called as contraception. Don't get confused here, conception and contraception. Prevention of conception, conception means pregnancy, okay, is called as contraception. And to prevent that conception or the pregnancy, here various methods have been adopted to prevent conception or the pregnancy, and these methods are called as contraceptive methods. Okay, come again. Prevention of conception is called as contraception, and the methods used or adapted to prevent conception are called as contraceptive methods. Okay, understood now? What is that contraception aims? ಅಂದರೆ ಮೊದಲ ಗುರಿ ಏನು ಕಾಂಟ್ರಸೆಪ್ಷನ್ದಪ್ಪ ಅಂತಂದರೆ ಟು ಬ್ರಿಂಗ್ ಎ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ ಬರ್ತ್ ಕಂಟ್ರೋಲ್ ರೇಟ್ by using contraceptives. Understood? Prevention of contraception by the means contraception means fertilization of the ovum during the sexual intercourse is called as contraception means nothing but to avoid pregnancy. And how should be one an ideal contraceptive? How it should be? It should be user friendly means anybody can use without any side effects, and it should be easily available, and it should be more effective, and also it should be reversible with no or less side effects. Okay, what are the ideal contraceptive? How should be one of the ideal contraceptive? Contraceptive means it should be user friendly, easily available, effective, and reversible with no or less side effects. Okay, and also it should in no way interfere the sexual activities, the desire, and also the sexual act of the user. Understood? We shall see the next slide. Yes. Now, what are the different types of contraceptives? What are the different types of contraceptives? Here, usually there are more methods. You can study only 6 methods here. The first method called as natural or the traditional method. Second one is the barrier method. Third one is the intrauterine devices. Fourth one is the oral contraceptives. Fifth one is the injections and the implants. Sixth one is the surgical method. Sixth one is the surgical method. This all we have to study under the head called as contraceptive methods. See here, these are the various contraceptive methods which is asked for the 5 marks. You have to study one by one. Natural method, barrier, IUDs, oral contraceptives, injections, and the implants and the injections, and also the surgical method. First we shall go for the natural or the traditional method. Yes, what do you mean by the natural method? It is one of the temporary method. It is one of the temporary method. There are several kinds of temporary methods that can be adapted to prevent pregnancy for time being or to postpone to have a child. A newly married couple, they want to postpone the child so that they can use the temporary methods. Okay, the temporary methods are of again classified into 3 types again. A periodic abstinence, withdrawal or the coitus interruptus, or the lactational amenorrhea. Okay, you have to understand what is the main principle here is avoid pregnancy, avoiding pregnancy. Even though they undergo a sexual intercourse, there is no chance of having pregnancy by using certain methods. First one is the natural methods. Under natural methods, you can have the periodic abstinence, withdrawal or the coitus interruptus, or the lactational amenorrhea. The main principle working here is avoiding chances of ovum and the sperm meeting. What happens if the ovum and sperm meets? It leads to pregnancy. So that we have to avoid the conception by contraceptive methods. First, let us see what is periodic abstinence. Yes, what is periodic abstinence? Means it is one of the natural method. In one such method in which the couples avoid, abstain means avoid or keep away from the coitus from day 10 to 17 of the menstrual cycle, when ovulation could be expected, as chances of fertilizations are very high during this period, and this period may be called as fertile period. And next one, the coitus interruptus. Coitus interruptus. Here, this is a periodic abstinence. Withdrawal or the coitus interruptus means it is another method in which the male partner withdraws his penis from the vagina just before ejaculation so as to avoid insemination. This is called as withdrawal or the coitus interruptus. Third one is the lactational amenorrhea. It is nothing but it is an absence of the menstruation. Absence of the menstruation so that the menstrual cycle does not occur during the period of intense lactation following by the parturition. Understood? Therefore, as long as the mother breast feeds the child fully, there is a chances of conceptions are almost absent. However, this method has been reported to be effectively only up to the maximum period of only up to the 6 months, and therefore after that they have to undergo an alternate methods. Understood? As there is no medicines or devices are used in these methods, that's why it is called as the natural methods, and almost the side effects are absent here. And even though the chances of failure are high among those who are following this method. Okay, these are the natural methods. What are the natural methods? Periodic abstinence, withdrawal or the coitus interruptus, and another one is the lactational amenorrhea.